Alright, let's settle the score. RHEL, CentOS, or Ubuntu? The age-old debate for anyone diving into the world of Linux servers. If you're an IT pro staring at the endless sea of Linux distros, I've been there. It can feel overwhelming, but let's break it down. So, here's what you need to know in 2 minutes. No fluff, just the essentials. First up, RHEL, or Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is the gold standard for many enterprises. If you want rock-solid stability and legendary enterprise support, RHEL is the way to go. It's trusted by the biggest names in tech. Think mission-critical servers, Fortune 500s, the works. It's built for environments where downtime isn't an option. But here's the catch. You're paying for that support. It's a premium experience, and the price tag reflects that. And updates? You'll never miss one, but your wallet won't either. Next, CentOS, which has its own story. CentOS used to be RHEL's free, open-source twin. It was a favorite for those who wanted enterprise features without the cost. It was perfect for devs wanting a test bed before going full Red Hat. Many labs and startups relied on it. But here's the plot twist. CentOS, as we knew it, is gone. The landscape changed overnight. Now it's CentOS Stream, a rolling release model, sort of a preview of what's next for RHEL. It's more experimental now. Some love the bleeding edge, others miss the old reliable. It's a divisive shift, but it's the new reality. Now let's talk Ubuntu. If you want something that just works, easy setup, huge community, tons of documentation, Ubuntu's your friend. It's beginner-friendly but powerful. It's everywhere. Cloud servers, desktops, even IoT. You'll find Ubuntu powering all sorts of devices. Updates are predictable, and you get LTS releases every 2 years. That means long-term support and peace of mind. And did I mention it's free? No licensing headaches? Just download and go. So, which should you choose? It really depends on your needs and your environment. If you need bulletproof support and compliance, go RHEL! It's the industry's gold standard for a reason. If you're cool with being a step ahead, and maybe a guinea pig, CentOS Stream could work. It's for the adventurous. But if you love flexibility and community, Ubuntu's a no-brainer. The support forums are second to none. Bottom line, there's no wrong answer, just the right tool for your stack. Choose what fits your workflow best. So, what's your pick? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences and preferences. Catch you in the next one.